Namaskar to everyone. It gives me immense pleasures and proud privilege while speaking few words on the great personality Shriman Mahatma Gandhi. He is popularly known as Bapuji. His child name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in Porbandar, a small town of Gujarat. He did his education from South Africa. While a railway journey in South Africa, he changed his life by some incident. The incident was that he was forcefully thrown out from the railway compartment despite having a valid tickets. When he inquired why such type of treatment was meted to him, it was told by the British men, you are black Indians and you have no right to travel in the compartments of the Englishmen. So he made up his mind to eradicate this evil, and he was able to eradicate this evil successfully. Then he came to India and he joined Indian National Congress. He visited various places in this country and he studied the societal stratification of this India. Then he found that society is also having various kind of evils, such type of evils like forward class, backward class, downtrodden, like that. Then he made up his mind to abolish such kind of untouchability and such kind of evil, and he was able to eradicate it. He gave leadership to various movements like non-cooperation movement, like salt satyagraha, like Quit India movement. Because of this great movement, India became free, and India remains proud to such a great personality who eradicated various kind of evils, and these evils are not only prevalent in India but among the other parts of the world also. He becomes a beacon for the eradication of, for the abolition of such kind of discrimination. He told to the humanity that all human beings are equals. This is man-made, whether we are forward, whether we are backward, whether we are superior or whether we are inferior. Every human being is born free, but discrimination is after on. So such type of changes can be brought about by the human beings. When we are able to implant in the mind of every human beings that all are equal, then there will be no discrimination. So such type of ideals were also incorporated by the United Nations organization in his charter, and now UNO also show the pathway to the world that all human beings are equal, and there is also a commission on human rights. This human rights commission study various kind of violation of the human rights and ensure every human beings a dignitized life, a life of dignity. So these are the educations of these great leaders. So Mahatma Ji was a great educationist, great philosopher, great politician, and more than that, a great world leader. His birthday is celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence by the United Nations organization. On the birthday of this great personality, I pay my best wishes to the soul of that great personality and congratulate to the family members of Air Force Station Vidyalaya Makarpura, Kendriya Vidyalaya Air Force Station Makarpura. Once again, best of wishes to all of you, and let us adopt, imbibe and make part and parcel of the ideals of the Mahatma Gandhi. Then we are able to transform this country into the dreams of that Mahatma Gandhi who conceived it 100 years ago. Thank you.